Number 4, we're dealing with a square. I've got the bottom of number 3 on there in the way, so I'll just mark that out so you don't have to worry about it. But it says ABCD is a square. Find the unknown measures if AE is 7. So AE is 7. That's all it gives us. It doesn't give us anything else. It wants to know the unknown measures that we have here. So if AE is 7, this is a square. So just like a rectangle, the diagonals are congruent and they bisect each other. The other thing we know with a square, it's the same as a rhombus in that the diagonals are perpendicular to one another. So that's a 90-degree angle. And you get the same thing all the way around. All of these angles that are created by the diagonals are 90 degrees. So it gives us that as well. Let's see what else we're being asked. Okay, so AC is the entire length of this diagonal. So if half is 7 and the other half is 7, you just add them together and AC should be 14. DE, well, that's already written in there. I already filled it in. DE is this half of the diagonal. If AE was 7, then DE has to be 7 because every part of these diagonals are congruent to each other. So we have 7 there as well. The other thing we're asked, what's the measurement of angle 9? So we got measurement of angle 9 and the measurement of angle 3. Just want to know what these are. So this is a square. So squares have rules of rhombus and rectangle. And even though we don't have an angle here and angle there, they're always the same in squares. So since I have 90-degree angles all around, and because it's a rhombus, the diagonals bisect the opposite angles, then if these angles are complementary, then each one is each half. So 90 degrees divided by 2 is 45 degrees. So not only is angle 9 45 degrees, but so is angle 8. So 8 would be 45, 7 is 45, 5 is 45 degrees, 4 is 45 degrees, 2 is 45 degrees, 1 is 45 degrees, and 10 is 45 degrees. In a square, these are always true. So you're always going to have 90 degrees in here, and then 45 all the way around. I didn't mean to put that. That's my 90. 45's all the way around here. So when it's asking for the angles, it makes it pretty easy. Angle 3 is created by the perpendicular bisectors, or the perpendicular diagonals, so it's 90 degrees. Angle 9 is 45 degrees, and really that's all there is to it.